Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. I make almost everything from scratch for a few reasons. First, I find cooking therapeutic. Second, I cannot stand the preservatives and chemicals they put in the food. Therefore, it's healthier to make it from scratch. Third, most of the time it's cheaper. And last, it tastes much better when it's made at home, just like this recipe. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my homemade pancake mix. Easy to make. This is a delicious weekend recipe. With butter and a good quality of maple syrup, along with bacon, hey, why not? This is a breakfast that is sure to become your family's favorite. So my friends, let's get cooking.
In a small saucepan over medium-low heat, we'll add milk and 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. We'll cook until the milk warms up without simmering and the butter is melted. So we'll stir, and as soon as the butter is well blended, which should take about 4 to 5 minutes, we'll remove immediately from the heat. We'll set aside to cool off. Meanwhile, in a large mixing bowl, we'll add flour and yes, we'll sift it so our pancakes will be much lighter. Do you have to do that? I prefer my pancakes fluffy, but if you don't mind them heavier, skip this step. We'll also sift the sugar, the baking powder, and the ground sea salt. Again, guys, it's up to you. I'm not a sifter, but there are some recipes that need it, like angel food or a nice Genoise cake. Yum. So we'll stir and set aside for now. Here's our lightly beaten egg, and to this we'll add vanilla extract. But you can always use another flavorful extracts. And we'll stir it until mixed. Next, if the milk butter mixture is finally at room temperature, we'll add the egg. Otherwise, we'll have to wait. And we'll give a quick stir before adding it to the dry ingredients. We'll whisk until the batter gets smooth, but let's not overmix. And we'll let it rest for 15 minutes. Alright, so now that we're ready to cook, we'll add clarified butter to either a skillet or a griddle over medium-high heat. When it gets hot, we'll ladle on about 1/4 cup of the batter and cook until they're brown. It should take about 2.5 to 3 minutes. Then we'll flip them and cook the other side. When they're done, we'll serve them immediately. And my friends, this is our homemade pancake mix. Light and fluffy, this is a delicious recipe to have on hand. They taste much better than the ones from the store, plus they're quick and easy to make. Served with butter and maple syrup, this is an amazing breakfast recipe you and your family will enjoy. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, direction, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!